Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021. Alchha, Mill Expansion by Henry Simon Milling Technology, accommodating customers' needs with both quality and speed.
Silo App, digitally connecting farmers to grain handling and storage businesses.
Arong Dairy was founded to change fortune of rural poor, Director of Arong Dairy.
Mueller Single Screw Extruder, ideal solutions for every process.
Short feature on IMA's machinery to provide energy from sun.
Baozian Banki 3000 TPD soybean crushing project in western China.
Initiative to set up 30 silos across the country to ensure fair price of paddy.
India and Pakistan are vying with the EU for the title of Basmati rice.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Space 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Mill Tech is 10 Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.